walking and talking, where I'm at Sunset School Park. I think this is my 6th video filming here, so I'll link to the other 5 in the video description, and that I've published on YouTube, I think. So links in the video description. It's walking and talking today, Thursday, 21 September 2023. I was going to do a walking where the classrooms used to be video, but there are people down there, and I was looking up here at this field, and there was nobody up here, and that's atypical. And I was like, I should do a walk a lap instead. So walking and talking, just walk a lap. So they have the walking path all the way around is new. Okay, since this school's been torn down, kind of thing. Because it used to be show you. I know, because I came back and I ran when I was older, and I was like, there's not a walking path. This used to be the thing. But like that would go around, kind of thing. And yeah, so what am I talking about? Lovely weather. My history at this park. The history of the park. That wasn't always a park, it was a school. I mean, it might becoming like a broken record over here. It's gone. Oh, how about I talk about the purpose of the park? So the purpose of this park, Sunset School Park. So Sunset Elementary School used to be here, which was my elementary school. And the park, so the school was torn down in part because of budget cuts, and in part because the number of students in the Shoreline School District, the elementary school students, declined. So there was not really a need for the school. And so they were like, all right. So they were like, all right, let's take and tear the school down. However, if all of a sudden there's a bunch more elementary school age students in the Shoreline School District, and the budget, then build the school again and have the school and have students attend here again, Sunset Elementary School. However, in the meantime, just make it into a park. So that's what they did. So the park is actually here and dedicated to the possibility of there being a school built here and that being used as a school area, or a school again. So that's kind of why it's a park as opposed to a school. And the dedication or the purpose of the park is it's kind of like it's a bridge park, bridge fuel, so to speak, to the next school that gets built here when demand is high enough again, kind of thing. Which is kind of interesting, like a flexible school system and a flexible space where a school can be built if necessary. I don't know if they would keep the floor plan the same as they did before, or if they would change it. And we're turning. Yeah, I don't know if they would keep the full floor plan the same, or if they would actually do a different design if they put a school back in here. I thought having these trees, look how tall they are, as a kid to play here, I thought it was pretty cool. I want to do one full lap, so I'll walk back up to the top of the ramp. But yeah, so I guess walking and talking about the dedication of this space, of the park. Trying to avoid getting kids on camera. And maybe I'll end with a view back down the ramp. Oh. There's no kids, so it's, yeah. So that's walking and talking, Sunset School Park. Perfect timing, somebody just entered with the walking loop, so yeah. And I got this month or next month, I'm gonna come back and walk what the floor plan used to be. Especially if they do build another school and it has a different floor plan. Gotta get it done while I can. Happy walking, talking, happy Thursday, 21 September 2023. As of filming this, City of Shoreline, King County, Washington State, United States of America, Plant Art, the original.